Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a squid. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Draw a triangle slightly curved over the circle. Draw fins at the end of the triangle. Detail the fin. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Detail the body. Draw arms. Draw arms. Draw arms. Draw tentacles. Draw tentacles. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.